Good morning and welcome to the Serenity Space. Thank you for taking these first few minutes of your day to connect with yourself. This is a simple 5-minute meditation to help you start your day with gratitude and clear intention. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat. You can sit on a cushion on the floor or just in your chair with your feet resting flat on the ground. Sit tall, allowing your spine to be straight but not stiff. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. And when you feel ready, I invite you to gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking one deep, cleansing breath together. Inhale fully through your nose, filling your belly and chest, and exhale with a soft sigh through your mouth. Just like that, one more time. A deep breath in and a long, slow breath out, letting go of any sleepiness. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. No need to control it, just notice it. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Feel the air as it enters and leaves your body. You are here. You are present. You are breathing. Bring your awareness to the feeling of the new day. The stillness in the air, the quiet potential that sits right here in this moment. Before all the wonderful things you accomplish today, you have this moment of peace, this breath. Thing you are grateful for. It does not need to be big or profound. Maybe it's the comfort of your bed. Maybe it's the sound of birds outside. Maybe it's looking forward to your first cup of coffee or tea. Or maybe it's simply the gift of this new day. Just pick one thing. Hold it in your mind. Notice how it feels to be grateful. Let that feeling of simple, quiet appreciation settle in your heart. This is a wonderful foundation to build your day on. And now, let's set an intention. An intention is a guiding light for your day. It is a single word or a short phrase that you can return to. What quality do you wish to bring to the hours ahead? Maybe your intention is peace. Maybe it's focus or discipline. Maybe it's kindness to others and to yourself. Or maybe it's simply persistence. Choose one word that feels right for you today. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe in, silently repeat that word to yourself. And as you exhale, your being let as if you are planting a seed for your day. Let this word be your anchor. You are here. You are grateful. You have your intention. You are ready for the day. Let's take one final deep breath together. The biggest breath of your morning so far. Inhale, filling yourself with positive energy and purpose. And exhale, letting it all go. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the surface you are sitting on. And when you feel ready, at your own pace, you can slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking this time for yourself. Hold on to that feeling of gratitude and carry your intention with you. Whatever the day brings, you can always come back to your breath, and you can always come back to that word. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like this video and subscribe for more. I wish you a truly wonderful day ahead.